For over 100 years, Swiss pioneers have been building mountain railways reaching high up into the sky. Andreas Reinhard is continuing the tradition with his 60-metre wide helium moon, which he plans to station at 1,500 metres above sea level. It may sound out of this world, but this unusual viewing platform could soon be part of the skyline above Abu Dhabi or Qatar, the two potential investors.
The Skylift is my retake of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, something that's been a role model for 120 years. I thought, it's high time to come up with something with the same impact that's really original, and not just higher and wider.
And this is how it works. The base station is an aquarium 4 metres underwater. The Skylift starts out in the shape of a fish.
It's actually a mountain railway, but without a mountain. We go along a line up to a platform that's 5 times as high as the Eiffel Tower. Like a balloon, this aerostatic platform sways above the ground station, like a ship at anchor, so it's always driven by the wind. The gondolas run on the lee side, protected from the wind.
The total cost of the construction, 430 million Swiss francs. 13 million francs have been spent so far. Reinhard has a respectable track record as an inventor. In 1979, he provided the Rega Rescue Helicopter Company with solar cells for its emergency power plant at the Solvay hut on the Matterhorn. Thanks to him, Rega had the first reliable emergency radio communication system in the highest mountains. Reinhard has always been fascinated with flying. His blow-up Stingray plane made the news around the world. The suits he created for fighter jet pilots are still being used by the German Luftwaffe. Reinhard's air pocket seats were very popular with the national airline Swiss, proving to be more comfortable and weighing 3 to 4 kilograms less than conventional airline seats. Reinhard was the creator of the topsy-turvy balloon, used as part of an advertising campaign. And he used his own Harley-Davidson engine to drive the so-called flying seabed. He's been compared with Gyro Gearloose, the mad inventor friend of Donald Duck.
Yes, I get confronted with that all the time, but I think we're quite different. We have our feet firmly on the ground. On the one hand, we're all dreamers and a bit crazy, but on the other, we still have to be meticulous about the details.
Paul Friedli, technology expert for the lift builders Schindler, is overseeing the production.
He's always managed to realise his projects thanks to his vision and the fact that he's down to earth. That's why I'm convinced that he will succeed with this one. I'm looking forward to tasting his success in the Moon Bar.
Und ich werde mich freuen, mit ihm in der Moon Bar auf das anzustoßen.
From a technical point of view, there are no problems. I'm sure we'll be able to iron out any little creases.
The project will take 3 more years to complete. If everything goes according to plan, Reinhard's moon will soon be shining in the sky above Abu Dhabi. In Qatar, it may even take the shape of a giant football to mark the 2022 World Cup.